Laptop sound suddenly stopped? Don't worry. Discover quick and effective ways to repair laptop speakers and bring back crystal clear audio instantly. Start by checking your audio settings, volume levels, and sound drivers. Many speaker problems come from simple software misconfigurations. If sound remains distorted, carefully open the laptop, remove dust, reseat loose speaker connectors, and check for visible hardware damage. Restart and test sound playback. Use protective cases, avoid moisture, and clean vents regularly to keep your laptop speakers working perfectly.